Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find and copy image or decal IDs on Roblox. This is useful for adding images or decals to a game in Roblox Studio. Okay, so first open roblox.com and log in. Click on Create in the top menu. If it's your first time, select Manage My Experiences under Start Creating. In the Creator dashboard, select Marketplace from the top menu and then choose Images. Find the image or decal you want. Click on it to open. In the URL, locate the asset ID number after asset. Just copy that number. Now open Roblox Studio and start a new project or open an existing one. Go to the Home tab and select Part. Adjust the size using scale for better visibility. In the Explorer panel, select the part. Click the plus sign and choose Decal. Click on the part to specify where the decal will appear. In the Properties panel under Appearance, paste the copied image ID in the texture field and press Enter. Now the image or decal will appear on the part in your Roblox Studio project. So that is it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. For more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.